Today in this video we will see how to make Snapchat private account. Very easy and simple trick. Just open Snapchat, click on profile icon, scroll down. Here you can see this is my public profile. In this video we will see how to create your Snapchat account private. Just go to setting, scroll down. Here you can see privacy control. This is some setting. Click on contact me, select my friend, go back and view my story, click on friend only, go back, click on see me, just untick, go back and select my location, open ghost mode, just off this option, refresh your account. This is very easy and simple trick. Check out this setting. This is very easy and simple to create your public profile picture into private profile picture. If you like this video, share our video with friend. See you in the next video. Goodbye.